Alright guys, so today's video is on the Reviewal that I promised you about this travel tripod. You're not going to get me to say the name of it because I cannot pronounce it, but I used it all of today, which will have been yesterday's video by the time this comes out, if I get this right, and get it all edited in time. But yeah, all I can say is I pretty much got it bang on with what I said with the first impressions. It is extremely good at what it does. For the price of it, which was only £20, incredibly good value for money. The link will be down in the description if any of you want to grab it and get into your vlogging rigs, etc. It works very good in that respect. It takes a bit of force, but it bends and straightens. You kind of have to straighten each one pretty much individually. Again, still, there we go. But it allows you various mounting points and means that you don't have to worry like I did with the Gorilla mount for it falling over or it slipping when it was gripping onto anything. The rubber does quite a good job of grabbing onto whatever surface there is. The ball mount was the only part that I said would be of any real issue, purely because it moves quite freely. I hadn't used it with my DSLR until today, but after I worked out the whole tightening down the ball mount, it was no issue for the whole day and it seemed to work pretty well. Like I said, the mounts that it comes with, the phone mount, the GoPro mount and the standard camera mount, all work perfectly well. There's no wobble with the phone mount whatsoever. It does sound quite rattly when you shake the phone mount, but once it's onto the tripod there's no real issue with it at all. That being said, overall I believe that this is definitely a GorillaPod killer, and I would thoroughly recommend it to anybody that is looking to get those obscure angles, and even if they're just looking for a better alternative to the GorillaPod itself. Like I said, the link will be down in the description. If you liked this video, want to see some more of these sort of videos, then hit that like button. If you want to see more, like I said, like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below if you feel like there's anything I could improve on or what you want to see in the future. That was the review of the travel tripod that I bought 3 weeks ago now, and I will be catching you all in the next one. But until then guys, keep it real, hunt the thrill, peace.